please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
How do you get the most out of your pool? By taking care of it. And that doesn't have to be a chore. The secret is in understanding how your pool works, the role each valuable function plays, and how they all work together. There are 5 keys to pool care that will help you spend less time working and more time enjoying your pool. The first is circulation. Pool water must be circulated for several reasons. It maximizes the effectiveness of your sanitizer, and it's harder for bacteria and algae to grow in water that is in motion. Circulation also helps push debris out so your filter can capture it. Running the pumps and adjusting the inlets maximizes both pool and product performance. The best time to circulate your water is during the day for 12 hours or more. Filtration, the second key, removes oils and debris from the water to maintain clarity and protect surfaces. One of the most important pieces of equipment, your filter, should be backwashed when the water pressure in the filter reaches 8 to 10 psi above normal. Filters also need to be chemically cleaned to remove the oil and debris that backwashing doesn't catch. The third key is cleaning. Your filter doesn't catch everything. Some pools have areas with little to no circulation, and this is where problems can occur. Brush and vacuum the walls and floor of your pool at least once a week to catch the debris that your filter misses. Testing is an important key. Every pool has characteristics that need to be regularly measured and adjusted, but pH and sanitizer levels are the most important factors to check. To keep your water balanced, test it at home weekly and take a sample to your local BioGuard dealer at least once a month. The last key is chemistry. It's important to apply the right products at the right time to protect swimmers and the pool itself. Follow the steps provided by your expert BioGuard dealer to keep your water sparkling and comfortable while protecting equipment and surfaces. For a carefree swimming season, follow these 5 keys and turn to your local BioGuard dealer for more expert advice on the right maintenance plan for your pool. We are here if you have problems or just to help you enjoy your pool even more.
Thanks for watching.